So I have a couple of different pieces I want to put up on the walls today. I got these two prints from Kirkland's, and I just love the detail, how the page is ripped on the edges and it looks like it's almost floating in there with it's like a pretty linen fabric background. So I thought these were really sweet. They were $15 each. I don't think these were on sale, but I think I did have a coupon. It was like a 20% coupon. I also have this really cute flower bar sign. This was on clearance for only less than $20, and it's really large. You guys will see when we go to hang it how big this thing is. It's probably like 3.5 feet, I would say. And I just loved the lettering on this one. I also have these herb boxes that I picked up from Decor Steals online. I really like that site. I found some great things there recently. So they're sort of all different sizes, and they have a big hook on them that we'll use to hang. So the smallest one says parsley. Then we have one that says sage. You've probably seen these all over Instagram. And then one that says rosemary. And finally, the largest one says thyme. And a lot of people I've seen hang these like one on top of the other, although probably largest at the bottom, like this. Kind of like this up a wall, a long skinny wall. But I also thought you could probably hang them side by side. So we'll see what we come up with. So I'm excited to decorate each of these once we have them up on the wall. So I'm thinking maybe these here.
That works.
We have the door. We have this door open a lot of the year, like when the weather's warm. But so it will cover it then, but when the weather's cool, we keep this closed because a lot of cold air comes in through here. So it's closed right now, and I think when it is, I think this would look really pretty. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, you can always move them too.
That is true, although my husband does not love to hang things, so he probably won't let me move them.
This might make an exception.
The other place we were thinking is maybe here, because this wall up the stairs is so bare. If anyone has any ideas of what I could do to fill this wall, I've always struggled just with the sheer size of it to know what the heck to do with it, especially since we're renting this house. But I thought this might fill up this little space here. That's another option, and it wouldn't be covered by the door. But let me know what you guys think. We're gonna hang them somewhere today, but we can always move them. So tell me what you guys think. So we're thinking of putting the flower bar sign above this arch. We're just marking where the holes are on the back for the nails. Is it level?
Was.
Scott is helping me hang all this stuff, but he doesn't want me to show you his face today because we have been excuse the swearing. We have been on quarantine for 3 weeks now, and since he's working from home, he hasn't shaved that whole time. So he says he's too hairy for YouTube, but here he is helping me anyway because he's such a trooper. Even though he's really frustrated. Those pictures totally aren't getting hung a second time, are they?
No. Can't rob it, anything.
So here it is. Looks great. Even after some frustration on my husband's part. I think it looks really good, and it helps make the space that is kind of empty, especially over here, a little more interesting and fun. So we're just going to use command strips for these. If you're a renter and you've never used command strips, you're missing out, because these things, especially for really lightweight artwork like this, are the best to hang art and move it around. Even if you're not a renter and you like to move your artwork around, change things. My husband hates change. These are fantastic for that. So you just stick one side to the back of your artwork, and then you take off the other side and stick it to your wall, and done. We're just making sure the picture is in the middle, around about, of this wall, and we're hanging them at eye level. I think that's the best place to hang art. So sort of the gap in between these two will be about eye level, or about five and a half feet from the ground, which is about my height. So short person, eye level. I like that. Down a little. Yeah. So I usually just eyeball the gap, unless I'm doing a gallery wall, in which case I will measure so it's consistent. But in this case, we just make sure it's level
and aligned,
and in line with the one above it or below it, and then stick it down with the command strips. Here's how they look on this wall. I think they really add some interest, because this area looks very plain, especially with this door closed. There's the flower bar side, and the front door, and those two new pieces. This makes the entryway look, well, the foyer, I guess, look much more interesting. I'd also like to probably add maybe a rug in here. If you guys have any ideas for what kind I should do. It's kind of a rectangular space. It gets a lot of foot traffic through here though, especially from the dining through into the living room. This is kind of the main way that we come through, and also with the dogs. So I'd obviously like to stick something down so it doesn't slip and slide when the dogs run through here, especially when they're going, if anyone else has dogs, to the front door to see who is there. I think I definitely need something to stick, but let me know if you guys have any ideas. Hi, Miss Chloe. Did you wake up from your nap? You gonna help Mom and Dad hang some stuff? Yeah. This is Chloe's little onesie. It's nearly her first birthday, so we're getting excited over here. And this was a gift from a lovely friend. Is the puppy licking you? Yeah. You're getting so big. Say hi, YouTube. Oh boy. The dogs love her. Hi, baby. So this is our back entryway. I did a video all about how we made this over, so I'll link that in the cards above as well as in the description box below. But I have these 3 pieces of art here, and I love them here, but I think this would be a great spot for those herb boxes. So we're gonna test out putting these here. There's only 3 hooks, but we're gonna see how it looks and see what we think. I think this might be a really good spot for them. What do you guys think? I think they look really sweet here. And the good thing is that they don't go out past this door frame, so we shouldn't run into them. There's nothing wrong with moving art around your house either. Just because it's good in one spot doesn't mean it has to stay there forever. There's nothing wrong moving things around and changing things up kind of like that shopping your own home principle that I always talk about. We can put those pieces somewhere else. I still love them. I'm not going to get rid of them. We'll just try hanging them somewhere else. But I think this looks pretty good. What do you think, Chloe? Do you like them? They're outside your room. That's Chloe's room right there. We're going to let Daddy hang the fourth one now. Daddy's little helper. Thanks for watching the video today. If you like seeing this kind of video and you enjoyed it, I would love if you could give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And if you'd like to stick around and become part of my YouTube family, all you need to do is click that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.